Welcome back to the channel. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this video, we'll be teaching you how to use Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Awesome. Let's jump straight to it. In this video, we're going to be sticking to the basics of it. All right. So the first thing that you want to do is install Screaming Frog Spider. It is around 500 MB if you are using a Windows. I'm not too sure Mac. And then once you have it installed, you will have 500 limit crawls if you are on the unlicensed version or the free version, which I'm currently using right now. All right, so most likely when you get it started up, you will see this screen that is in front of you, similar. And I'll just outline the basics right here. So what I did, I ran a crawl of our website, prolemon.com. And right here, you would see something. Okay, so let's take it from here. So files, there's files. If you want to open files that are saved already, so on. There's view, there's mode. You can choose what you want to check. You can even check search engine result page. You want to compare. There's configure. You want to create a robots text, a CDN, up to you. There's bulk exports. You can just take every single picture that's on the page, every single web. There's reports. You can create reports from here, specified for issues and so on. There's sitemaps, XML sitemaps, image sitemaps, visualizers. We actually created a video yesterday on how to make SEO fun using visualizers. So please check that out. There's also crawl analysis, there's license and so on. So that's just the basics. So if you want to crawl your website, you want to put it right here. And most likely this is what you see. You can actually customize this and change it if you like. But what I just want to highlight is this is practically all the internal URLs that are on the website. So if you put in your website, that's what you would most likely find. And if you click on one, you see that here will open. So it will give you a little bit more information about that specific page in case you want to do a quick audit on that specific page. So it tells us the size, something that we really need to know, the URL, everything, the status code, the titles, yeah, title tag, actually, the length of the title tag, well, practically everything that you need to know as a SEO specialist. So this is an awesome tool. And you can go into external. We'll create a video for each and every single tab. There's quite a few because there's so much to cover in just one thing that SEO Screaming Frog does. So we'll try to do that incrementally. Awesome. So that is just a quick guide on how to use the internal and the different settings on SEO Screaming Frog. For more videos, we will be releasing on what is the external, the security, this response code, and so on. Actually, I forgot to take you to this side as well. So over here is this is where as we selected a page, you will see all. So it will show us the HTML if you want to click on that. And you see that like the size of everything that is the issues. If you click on the page once more, you'd see these are all the issues that and priority. So this is really good to know, especially if you want to send an audit or if you're getting a project. This is site structure, so this is probably from the server. So as you see, it's HTTPS, the domain, and then WordPress content and categories and everything. Always great to know how they are structured. This is segments. We need to configure it clearly here, but don't worry, in the next video we'll definitely have done that. So this is if you're probably on the licensed version, you can connect to everything. So you want to click on settings, and then it will obviously open another tab, and then you can configure everything in there so it can constantly track yours. And what's pretty cool is it checks grammatical errors. Hey, this is just like the best tool ever. This was just a quick tutorial on how to use SEO Screaming Frog. As we mentioned, we will be making incremental videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, stalk us at ProLemon for more videos.